Question 6. What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? I have learnt a lot about technologies throughout the production of my music magazine. I have learnt many things about WordPress and how to blog on the internet. By using WordPress, I have experienced how to produce work and save it over the internet via a storage cloud, which then allows me to access my work from any device or from anywhere I am. By using WordPress, I have the power to start or finish pieces of work, whether I am at home or on the bus, due to being able to access WordPress on computers and smartphones, allowing me to create or edit posts. I believe by having this, my work becomes a lot easier due to always having access. I can also share my work from a school Mac computer to my home laptop, which also contributes to making my work a lot more easier and less stressful. I also have an online diary via WordPress, which is very useful and helpful so that I can see exactly what work I have finished and what I still need to work on. I feel that I have also learned a lot about technologies from the actual making process of my magazine, as I have used Adobe Photoshop. I have used Photoshop before, however I learnt many new skills from this project, such as how to use guides and rulers, which help place images and layers precisely. I learned how to use the Magic Wand tool for cropping out backgrounds. An example of this would be when I used this tool for making the background of my front cover image white, due to deleting the background. And finally, I learned how to place layers above or below each other, helping the layout and structure for each page. From gaining these skills, I have benefited from the structuring of my contents and double page spreads page, so that my body of text could line up correctly. The images I created for each of the pages were edited using Photoshop to make them stand out. However, on my front cover and contents page, I used the Magic Wand tool, which let me crop the background out so that I could get the white background, which provided my house colour, but also the finish I wanted. I also found that my headlines and masthead were important and therefore needed to stand out. So I used the stroke tool, which allowed my text, masthead and headline to stand out from the front cover. I also used this for my pull quote on my double page spread. I added a slight stroke of white so that it could stand out from the image. Another technological skill I learned was using the SLR camera, which I have never used before. By using this camera, I have gained the skills of how to frame my images and how well I wanted to position the models or the background in the image. An example of this would be when I took the image of my double page spread, where I had to zoom in toward the male in the image so that he filled the whole image space.